Hello and welcome to gotstockz. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, 2024. We're going to do a blitz analysis on NVIDIA. We're going to look at some important key support and resistance areas, moving averages, volume analysis for some potential buy or sell zones. This is a 6-month chart of NVIDIA. Each candle represents a day. The 6-month low was $60.70, peaked out at $140.76, and it is currently trading at $104.84. We're going to start at the top of this range. This is going to be resistance on the way up. This is a low or high. This is a low or high. We are currently in a downtrend. These areas are going to provide resistance when the stock decides to turn around. This is going to be an area of support, 101.52. This was an area of support, depending on how it closes today. 106.94, it's broken through that today. This is going to be an area of support also. If the stock starts trading into this gap, there's a good chance it can go to the beginning of 96.02. When we look at this area, and this area, this is going to give us a level of support. So if we wanted to trade this, these would be the areas of support and resistance to trade the stock to get in and out of. So currently the stock is trading at 105.34. Next stop should be 101.52. For the last 3 days, the volume has been drying out. Nothing substantial as far as big volume compared to average daily volume. Go to Yahoo Finance. Now the current market cap is 2.59 trillion. The PE ratio is 61. They have an estimated target at 135. So if we look at today's volume, 161 million. The average volume is 369 million. Today's volume, we're currently at 161 million. Yesterday was 248 million. 726, we're at 293 million. On 725, traded 460 million. So when we look at this candle that traded over 400 million shares that day, the stock opened at 113.04, the high was 116, the low was 106, and closed at 112. So it closed pretty close to the open. What that means, stock traded all the way to this level, and then the buyers came in. Why did they come in there? And then they pushed the stock all the way up to close to here. They came in there because this is an established support area. This gave us confirmation of a support area, but today, it's blown through this area. If it closes below this area, next stop is going to be 101.52, and then we're going to be looking at 96.02. If I was looking to buy into this stock, I would potentially put a limit buy order in at the 101.52 with a short stop. And this is going to be the next level. So you can't do anything right now because it's in between zones. So you want to wait, see how it closes, and then we want to look down here at the volume of how it closes. It does appear that the volume has been drying up on the sell side. So this is just part of a consolidation pullback. The stock has had a tremendous run. So when we look at this is healthy for the stock. If we look back here, the stock did the same exact thing when it hit. This used to be the all-time high. This was considered a double top, and then we have a lower high, and then it flushed out, went all the way to this area. When this downdraft started in March of 2024, we had a 1.5 month consolidation before the next run. And that next run, the low was 75 all the way up to 140. So from here to 140 is almost 100% move. Not quite, but it's in the range. That's a pretty strong move for a couple of months. The stock needs to absorb these moves. The PE ratio is a little on the high side right now. It just needs to absorb these moves, and the stock is just pulling back. There's nothing wrong with the stock. There's nothing wrong with the company. And that will complete our analysis of NVIDIA. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this information was helpful for you. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. We appreciate the support. And always remember to do your own due diligence. Dot your I's, cross your T's, and don't forget the Z. Happy investing.